Hello and welcome back on my channel. Last episode we installed and sealed the deck, and today we are gonna sand down the excess wood and also trim these parts here. So I'd say let's get to work. I sanded the deck and I trimmed the cockpit, and as you can tell I already put another coat of sealant on the wood. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna build the cover for the hatch and make sure it fits perfectly. You just saw me build the front hatch that is used to close this front section here where the battery is. It is quite a clever solution and the magnets are really strong, so it's actually kind of difficult to get it out again, especially when we'll have the steering wheel installed, which is why I'm actually thinking of ways to charge the battery using just the rear hatch. Another topic I'd like to address at this stage of the build is that you have two options regarding the cockpit. You could either build the model with a bench or with two cockpit seats instead. On the plans you can see both options next to each other. If you decide to go for the two cockpit seats, you'll have to use Velcro to secure them. Otherwise you can't open the first hatch anymore and access the battery. So maybe the second option might be easier for handling. But let me know in the comments what you think and which option you'd go for. And with that, we've reached the end of today's episode. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching and see you next time.